How to create online surveys. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type SurveyMonkey. Now click on search. Now at the first website, simply tap on it. Now click on sign up for free. Now enter your email address. Now click on sign up for free. Now wait for some time. Now tap on next. Again wait for some time. Now tap on create a new account. Now wait for some time. Now tap on create survey. Now tap on new survey. Now enter your survey title. Now once you are done with that, simply tap on create. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the plus icon to add a question. Now tap on text or any other option you want to. If you want to make your question compulsory, simply enable this toggle and tap on. Now once you are done with that, simply tap on the send icon. Now choose any of the option. Now write your title and tap on next. Now click on post and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.